What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now, carrying on again with the S24 Ultra. I've still got a ton of content that I need to get filmed and get it out the way. I figured I'd bring you these the best clear cases you can buy right now for your S24 Ultra. They are from ESR. Now I know this one's got MagSafe, this one doesn't, but this one has a kickstand. One is from the Classic series and has designed for MagSafe. One is from the Boost series. Now we did film a Boost series one the other day, and it's this one right here with the kickstand on the bottom and the MagSafe. So if you haven't seen that one, that's up there for you guys to check out. That's another ESR case from the Boost series, but it's not really clear as these two are, because obviously if you look on the side they both say clear. So you get strong magnetic lock and military grade protection on the MagSafe one. You get adjustable on-demand kickstand and military grade protection on the kickstand case. Turning it over, military grade protection on both kickstand, and obviously it showed you the MagSafe charging. Strong 1500G magnetic lock, raised screen and camera protection, which is always a good thing. Scratch resistant acrylic back. So adjustable on-demand kickstand, built to last 3000 plus uses, same as the other one we done. Raised screen and camera protection, so absolutely fantastic. Let's bring in the trusty unboxing knife and just get to work straight away on these. So there we go. So I'm just going to unbox the one and then I'll just show you them both together. So there we go. So become a super user, you get an upgraded 24-month warranty, exclusive access to newly launched products for free, and free product upgrades, and scan for any product help that you may need. So let's go ahead and take the clear one out the bag. And there it is, the one with the kickstand. So there's the clear one. And then let's take out the hybrid. The picture on this one shows the black with the clear. This one is just clear with the MagSafe logo. There's the two of them side by side. Let me know which one you'd go for. But let's start with the kickstand case first. So nice and clear, camera guard right there, buttons on the side, ESR tech made easier, all your cutouts on the bottom. On the corners you can see you got these raised edges for shock absorption, cutout for the lanyard right here. And yeah, so let's just go ahead, let's grab my titanium grey S24 Ultra and let's get this slapped in. Now I do have the ESR camera lens protectors on mine and it fits in perfectly. If you haven't seen the lens protector video, that's up here for you guys to check out. I think that's a really good look, to be honest. I mean, yeah, you're going to get fingerprints on this guy obviously, and it may set off someone with OCD a bit like myself. I would be constantly cleaning this, but nice clicky buttons, nice and clicky. Access to your S Pen right there, nice and easy. Speaker, charge port and your mics, and then you got cutouts on the top for your two mics up top. But yeah, looks great, looks the part. Let's move that out the way and let's pop up. Oh no, God, you need nails, I haven't got no nails. Popping it out like so, you can stand it up and you can scroll content or use it as like a bit of a mini, no, then again maybe not. I was going to say you could use it as a bit of a tripod. I suppose you could if you got something set up you want to take a picture of, but obviously not like a family portrait or whatever, that wouldn't work. Or maybe even a selfie, you want to get a selfie going, you know, that might work a little bit too. You can also pop this down like so and watch your content if you were like on a train, in work, on your desk. You want to pop it to the side out the way and just stand it up with the kickstand and then literally close it away. But as you can see right here, it says patented design. So this right here, this kickstand has got a patented design, really strong, really durable, and it's a nice feel at the bottom. But obviously if you got it in your pocket with something like maybe another phone, this will scratch up the other phone, so be very wary of what you put on next to this. No MagSafe, but obviously it does have wireless charging. I don't know how it's going to go with this right here, but if I slap it on, yeah, it does wirelessly charge, but you'd have to be mindful of this right here. That's to fit in the back of here when you were wirelessly charging, so you'd have to probably put something on sideways to get it to charge. Let's bring in the hybrid case with the MagSafe on it. I think that looks really good. It's got the camera guard right there, it's got the cutouts, the holes for the camera, Halo lock magnetic case, ESR tech made easier, and never had any issues with the Halo lock system. We've even got some in the cars as well. The ESR chargers work fantastically. But pop it in like so. There's a nice clear case. You see your Samsung logo at the bottom. Again though, very fingerprinty. So, you know, just be mindful of fingerprints. There's your Halo lock. right there. Looks great. Let's slap on a wireless charger, and as you can see, it's in the perfect position. It covers that bottom lens that is on there so well. Camera lens protectors fit perfectly through here, and because you got that camera guard, you can place it down like so, and you got that lip running all the way around the top, all the way around the sides and the bottom right there, so you can go ahead and place it face down and not have to worry. But now let's test out the MagSafe strength. Let's bring in the MagSafe charger, and let's go ahead and plop it onto the back right here. It's just took it out my hand, but it's wirelessly charging, and super strong magnets in this one again. ESR have done an amazing job on this one. Works perfectly, it's wirelessly charging, it's exactly what you want. As you can see, the lanyard loop right there, and on this side, ESR Tech Made Easier etched into the case. Feels nice to hold. Let me know what you think of that one in the comment section. Is this type of clear with the MagSafe on it is something that you would consider going for? Obviously, if you've got an iPhone or whatever, you know, and you got another case that matches this will be perfect, a perfect combo. Let me know what you think of those in the comment section down below, and which one would you go for? Would you go for the kickstand clear, or would you go for the Halo Lock clear with the MagSafe on it? I think both fantastic looking cases, both definitely fingerprint magnets, so you know, be wary of that. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Are these the best clear cases you can buy right now? Let me know if there's any others you think I should check out. Let me know in the comment section. You'll find links to these in the description down below. The lens protectors and the other ESR case that we reviewed, they'll all be down in the description down below. So let me know what you think. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, as always. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on for all future videos. S24 Ultra playlist right at the very end. Click on it, browse through the playlist. We've got plenty more still to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe. See you all soon.